birthing is the most profound initiation to spirituality for a woman. So let's look at what all exercises we can do in the first trimester of the pregnancy. We keep the sequence very gentle yet very effective as the pregnancy is still being firmly established. So let's get on to our yoga mats and see how this powerful sequence can make us energize, rejuvenate and restore the body. Also, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button and hit on the bell button for further updates. Let's get on our yoga mats. Close your eyes. Sit comfortably and easily. Palms open towards the ceiling. If you want, you can keep a cushion underneath your tailbone. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let's chant Om together 3 times. Om. Breathe in. Om. Breathe in. You may open your eyes again. Let's start with the chest opening pranayama. Breathe in, hands away from the chest. Exhale, come back. Hands in namaste. Breathe in, open up the chest. Exhale, come back. Breathe in and breathe out. Make sure there's no pressure on the abdomen. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, open up your hands fully. Exhale, hug yourself. Breathe in and breathe out. 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 Relax. Right hand on the top of your head. Start massaging your head. And relax. Palms on your temples. Gently press and rotate. And in the opposite direction. Relax. Now with your fingers, tap in the center of the forehead, top of the head and back of the head. Center, top and back. With both your hands with your knuckles, tap on your head in circular motion. Breathe and relax. With 2 fingers on your forehead, breathe in and breathe out. Massage the forehead. Don't forget to smile. Keep breathing. Relax. Now let's squeeze the eyebrows. Enjoy every moment. Now straighten the eyebrows. Relax. Now the index finger under your eyes. Nicely massage. and relax. Now over your eyes with your thumb very gently. At any point of time, if you feel tired, you can relax your hands. Now with the 3 fingers on your cheeks, gentle pressure and bring the fingers down. And relax. Open your mouth and close. Open, close. Open, close. Open, close. Open and move the lower jaw. And relax. Let's kiss and smile now. Continue. And relax. So let's pull our ears. And rotate them nicely and in the opposite direction. And relax. Now squeeze your eyes and open them wide. Squeeze, open, squeeze, open, squeeze, open, squeeze, open and blink, 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 blink. Deep breath. And gently close your eyes and open again. Now we will place our right hand on the right side of the head. Apply opposite pressure such that the palm pushes the head and the head pushes the palm. And relax. On the other side with the other hand, breathe in and apply pressure. And let go. Interlace your fingers, place it behind your head. Again apply opposite pressure. Elbows are straight, keep breathing. And relax. On the forehead, push. Keep breathing. Relax. Breathe in, shrug your shoulders, roll them back and down. Continue. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Opposite direction. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And relax. Palms forward. We will work with the elbows. Palms on your shoulders. Exhale, open. Continue. Straighten your hands, fists and open. And now rotate your wrists. Anti-clockwise. Relax. Now let's do the stretch for our upper back. It's called as the YLTW stretch. We will keep our hands in Y position. Breathe in, open up your chest. Take your hands back. Keep breathing. Let the pressure be there. Make sure there's no pressure on the abdomen and relax. Now let's do the L stretch. Keep your hands in an L position. Elbows are parallel. Take the palms behind. Keep breathing. And relax. And the W. Hands in W position. Breathe in. Open up the chest. Keep breathing. And relax. In T, breathe in, take your hands back and relax. Now interlace your fingers, place them behind, stretch the hands, open up the chest, keep breathing and relax. Interlace your fingers, hands forward, stay here, keep breathing. Relax. Point the toe and flex them. Point, flex. Point, flex. And rotate your ankles. Make sure you have a cushion underneath your lower back in the opposite direction. And relax. Bring the right foot on the left thigh and press the knee down and bring it up with your hands. This is a hip joint movement. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax with the other leg. And relax. We will now do the Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. Keep the left hand in Chin Mudra with tip of the index finger and thumb together. Rest of the 3 fingers are straight. With the right hand, place your index finger and middle finger in the eyebrow center. With the thumb, regulate your right nostril. With the ring finger, regulate your left nostril. Breathe in from both the nostrils and breathe out from the left. Begin the pranayama by breathing in from the left. Breathe out from the right. Breathe in from the right and breathe out from the left. This completes one round. Now continue for a few more times on your own. Exhale from the left nostril and you may relax. Also, if you wish, you may continue meditation for a few minutes, the link to which is in the description below. Slowly you may open your eyes.